Hello again, everyone. In this video, we're going to see the new theme for Prompt2Flutter. So we changed the theme from the purple cyberpunk theme into a simpler, more minimalist theme that's familiar to anyone who've used ChatGPT or Gemini before. So this is the home screen when you log in for the first time and you don't have chats. So as you can see, there's a box where you can describe your design and then click on generate design to let the model, which by the way was retrained again with more and more Flutter projects. If you don't have an idea about what to design and you just want to play or explore the product, again, the first 10 generations are free and you can track how many remaining designs you have using the remaining designs in the navigation bar. So when the remaining designs reach 0, next time you click generate, you're going to be prompted with a plans and you select one of the plans. So currently we have two plans. We have the basic plan for $9.99, you get 100 designs, or for $39.99, you get 500 designs, plus access to the API, which is coming soon. So we also added suggestions and example prompts for those who just want to explore the product and do not have an idea about what they want to design. So there's the authentication, e-commerce, profile settings, dashboard, movie streaming, and social feed. So let's go ahead and try the movie streaming app. So we click on it and then it sends the request to the model. So with a movie streaming app with a home screen, search bar, and a list of movies. Again, this takes some time because the model is a reasoning model. So it thinks through your prompt and it uses what it learned from the Flutter project that it was trained with. So it gives you the generated code again. So this is the new theme. You click on preview if you want to see it live in your browser. I'll click on preview. It opens a DartPad with the code and the design. So if you want to see this full screen, so we added this feature. You click on the full screen button from here and the DartPad goes full screen, and then you can remove this small console right here. So as you can see, this is the design that was suggested by the model. You click and then there's a search bar, there's a no showing, and then there's a list of posters of those movies. And if I want to search using the search bar, just type stuff there. If we want to do some tweaking using Gemini from the DartPad, this is always free. You just go ahead and ask Gemini to change the code or the app and it'll do it. If you want to do a more advanced tweaking, you can do that using the edit feature from here. So if I go ahead and click on edit feature, you can see that editing previous code gets attached to the text field, and then you can type the editings that you want to make. So let's see, for instance, let's say when I click on a movie poster, add a screen to see the details for that movie with a purchase button. Click generate. Now So it's editing the previous code. So it's taken into consideration that code. It's added to the context of the prompt, and then it's going to come up with a new version of that code, and we'll preview together. Okay, so we don't want to edit the code anymore. Okay, so this is the new version, and we can click on preview again. Okay, so there we go. We go ahead and go full screen again. So it kept the first page, and then when we click on one of the items, it added a details page where we can see the details of the movie, and a purchase button. Okay, cool. So this is it. This is the new theme. And also, yeah, by the way, there's suggestions also in the chat mode. So if you want to add a screen to your app, you can just choose one of these suggestions, and it's going to send a prompt. Let's click on social feed. So it sends a prompt to the model to generate a quick screen. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so this is the social feed. Let's preview it again. Let's go ahead and go full screen, and this is the social feed again, with posts and comments and likes, shares, and all the stuff. And also there's an ad here where you can add a new post. So that's it for today. We'll see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.